Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we got a household problem and we gotta take care of it. So I got a Frigidaire dishwasher, and what the problem is, and this happened before, is that the dial will stop at the 6 o'clock position and it'll just cycle forever. Now this could be one or two issues, one of them being the timer, which most people would probably think, but in this case, it is the thermostat. If you need to order a part for your dishwasher, you need to know the model number. And on this one here, it's located on the side panel. This is the thermostat we're going to be swapping out. And that's the part number if you have that model of Frigidaire dishwasher. The easiest way to do this would be to pull the dishwasher out, but we're going to leave it in place and do it that way. It's a little bit more of a struggle, but less hassle. One of the first things that you should do is turn off the power so you don't electrocute yourself. So according to my panel, dishwasher should be 16. Let's just verify that we don't have any power. Okay, we're good. It's dead. So on the bottom of your dishwasher, there is two Phillips screws on each side. I'm gonna have to clean the floor. It's pretty disgusting. It's been years since this has been taken off. Look at that, what a mess. So this is where the fun part is. See those two wires way in the back? That's where the thermostat is. There's a little Phillips screw that you have to remove to pull the thermostat out. You got the new one right here, and this is going to be fun getting it back in. Just to give you an idea, when you're doing this job, the way I did it, you're doing it strictly by feel. I got the power turned back on. Let's do a cycle, see what happens. Well, it's looking like we moved past the 6 o'clock position. If it can finish its cycle and head up to drying, we are fixed. Alright, well, I'm going to end the video there. My dishwasher used to stick at the 6 o'clock position, and like I said before, changing the thermostat fixed that problem. So before you load up the parts cannon and you throw in a timer and everything else, the problem just may be your thermostat. So if you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching.